you're wondering, bakit lagi ganito suot ko? Kasi hindi pa ako nagbibihis. Wow! Hello! Excited na ba kayo? Excited na rin ako dahil meron tayong unboxing. Siyempre, lahat naman gustong nasusurprise, di ba? Check natin to. Maliit nga lang siya eh. In-order ko lang siya. Try lang natin. Mystery box number 1. First time ko mag-open ng mystery box. Kaya ko umarte. Tingnan lang natin to. Okay. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung anong laman. Parang worth 250 lang siya or something. I'm so excited. Ano kayo laman nito? Sana may sana meron siyang cellphone. Pero sa gaan niya, I doubt it. Siyempre, alam mo na paandar ng Lazada. Kapaloko pa ba kayo? Paloko na rin tayo. Okay, ready? Go! Oh my gosh. Anong laman nito? 3 items lang siya. Oh my. Portable gamepad. Oh my god, thank you so much, Lazada. I'm so badly wanting to have this for the longest time. Parang gusto ko siyang orderin, pero para kasing pag-orderin ko siya, parang 75 pesos lang, tapos yung shipping 50. Parang hello, hindi siya worth it, sabi ko. Pero oh my gosh. Tetestingin natin later. Ilabas muna natin. Okay, 1 item. Oh my gosh, meron pa tong headset. Thank you so much. May headset na ulit ako. Although, hindi naman ako mag-headset. Pero, yeah, it's iPhone, Android. Thank you so much for Lazada. Oh my god, this is so, oh my god, I'm so happy. 3rd item. Oh, what is this? Oh, selfie stick. No, to be honest, in-order ko lang siya na mystery box worth 250 pesos. And look what I got. Thank you so much, Lazada. And may selfie stick na. Oh my. How did you know that I needed and badly wanted to have these items? So, okay, let's go check na. Oh my goodness! Kahit chippy-pay. Kahit chippy siya na. Oh, wow! Like a vlogging. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much, Lazada. Naku, mapapadalas ako sa mga mystery box na ite. OMG! Pag di ko naman gagamitin, pwedeng pang regalo. Pero, my God! First time kong mag-mystery box. And then, I'm so happy. Oh, imagine! And this one, syempre, sino ba naman ang aayaw sa game pa? Oh my, nakakapaglaro na ako ng Mobile Legends. Ng mas matinu-tinu ng onte. Tatanggalin po may Okay. Check natin. My gosh, salamat ng marami. Ay, hindi kasha. Tanggalin ko yung casing ng phone. Naka-note 8. So, pagkasyahin po natin. Paano to? Ganito. Oh my gosh, talaga. Oh, ito yung pinaka-bet na bet ko. OMG! Tapos meron siyang mga joystick controller, no? So, try na nating start. Munton! Oh my gosh! Good luck! I really love this mystery box. I swear. Like, OMG. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, ano to? Ay, may ganun. Pag kunyari manunod-nood ka lang, meron siyang parang stand sa likod. Okay? But this is like so for gaming. I love it. Oh yeah, so selfie stick, headset, and gamepad. What will I say? Thank you po. So, salamat ng marami. And I'm so happy. And of course, ayan, ayusan natin. Ayan, I'm so happy, ha? Worth it talaga. Feel ko worth it yung 250. Ay, oh. Kasi 250 yon plus shipping fee. 200 plus yung shipping fee niya. 50 pesos. 250. Tapos, yung Lucas Papaw, 150 something. Oh, binayaran ko lang kasi 450 lahat. I love it. Wow! Okay. Next time, tatry natin ulit mag-order ng mystery box. I love the mystery box, LAZADA. Thank you so much for all of these 3 items. Kahit 3 items lang siya. But, thank you. I really appreciate it talaga. Oh my gosh, I love it. Maraming salamat. Kasi parang need na need ko talaga itong mga items na to. And I'm so happy you did it for me. Okay. And yeah, so, try nyo lang ulit. You can try to also order your own mystery box in LAZADA. Punta lang kayo sa LAZADA online, lazada.com, or you can try downloading the app, using the app, and then you'll find in their mystery box. You can like select any amount of the mystery box that you want to, and whatever you can afford. Kasi alam ko meron pang mystery box na 1 million pesos. We're not gonna go that far yet, but I'm so loving it. And maybe I'll try to see you again next time in another mystery box from LAZADA. Thank you so much for watching Mia Vlogs, and please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!